Hey, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and here's the follow-up video of this King circulator stove that I got. Man, this thing is awesome. Got it rolling right now. It's running down. I've had it running all day. You can see I've got a little Ryobi cordless fan blowing heat over it. I haven't fixed the rear fan for it yet, but it's on the list. Anyway, as you can see, I've been using it. There's some ash here from emptying the ash box. And today's the first day we got above 20 degrees in about, getting close to 2 weeks. Cabin fever, man, I'm telling you. Anyway, so I took the opportunity to come out here and work because I'm off today. I've had this thing going since 9 a.m. and it's about 6 p.m. Temperature outside is about 28. In here, I don't have a thermometer, but I don't have to wear a jacket, so warm enough. 65, 60, something like that. Let me go ahead and open it up. Here it is. It's burning down. I'm not going to add any more wood to it, but oh man, you can feel that heat coming out. Yeah, it's just great. Ash box is working great. Of course, I got it free from a friend, but I'll tell you what, I would have paid. Had I known how good a unit this would be, I certainly would be. I would have paid for it. It's a lot better than the old box stove I had out here. So that's it. Another short video on the King circulator. I think it's a 7701B. Still got to get the little rear fan working, but other than that, I got no complaints. This thing is just awesome. I got a rather large garage with a high ceiling, and this thing makes the winter a whole lot more fun. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.